If you want to quickly check your itch.io notifications, this video is going to show you the easiest way to do it step by step. Whether you're looking for game jam updates, comments, follows, messages, or other account alerts, itch.io keeps everything right inside your account so you can stay up to date in just a few clicks. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software and website guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, go to the itch.io website in your browser. Once the homepage loads, make sure you're signed into the correct account because your notifications will only appear for the account you're currently using. After you're logged in, look to the top right corner of the page. Right next to your username, you'll see the notification icon. This is where itch.io shows your latest alerts and updates. Go ahead and click that notification icon. As soon as you do, a drop-down or notification panel should appear showing your recent notifications. From here, you can review new activity, see what's been updated, and open anything that needs your attention. If you have unread notifications, they'll usually be highlighted so you can spot them right away. You can click on any notification to go directly to that update, whether it's a comment, a community post, or another account-related alert. That's really all there is to it. To view your itch.io notifications, just go to the website and click the notification icon next to your username in the top right corner. Super fast, super simple, and very useful if you want to stay on top of your itch.io activity. If this video helped, please like the video and subscribe for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.